It's RhymeLand.
I am an elephant. Big and strong. I am an elephant, big and strong, with a trunk that's super long. I flap my ears to keep me cool and splash in rivers just like a pool. I munch on leaves from a tall, tall tree. No one's as hungry as little me. I walk in herds with friends all day. We trumpet loud when we play. My wrinkly skin is gray and wide. I take my baby for a ride. From jungle paths to grassy lands, we roam together holding hands. And please like, share, and subscribe!